Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put up canvas wall art. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a few key items: a hammer, a measuring tape, and a pencil for marking. Depending on your wall type and canvas weight, select suitable hanging hardware like picture hooks or D-rings. Don't forget a level. It's crucial for ensuring your artwork hangs perfectly straight. Having these tools ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's plan where your beautiful canvas will go. A good rule of thumb is to hang the center of your artwork at eye level, which is usually about 60 to 66 inches from the floor. Think about how it relates to any furniture below it, leaving at least 6 to 8 inches of space. You can even use painter's tape or a paper template to test different positions before making any permanent marks. With your placement decided, it's time to hang the canvas. Measure the distance from the top of your canvas to its hanging wire or D-rings. Transfer this measurement to your marked spot on the wall. Carefully install your chosen picture hook or screw, making sure it's firmly anchored. Then, gently lift your canvas and place its hanging mechanism onto the hook, ensuring it feels secure and balanced. Almost done. Now, grab your level and place it along the top edge of your canvas. Gently adjust the artwork until the bubble in the level is perfectly centered, indicating it's straight. Take a few steps back and observe your canvas from various points in the room. Sometimes, a slight nudge can make a big difference. Enjoy your newly displayed canvas art. It truly enhances your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.